everybody, today I'm going to repair Intex TV. So let's go to the fault. What is the fault of this Intex TV? And this Intex TV 139 centimeter LED TV. The model number is LED 5500 FHT. So I will open the back cover of this LED. So already I have opened the screw. So see here. So I have opened the back cover of this TV. So this one is power supply, and this one is motherboard of this Intex TV, and this is timing Ticon board, timing control board, and this one is scaler board, and this also scaler board. So this one is speaker, right left. So guys, Intex TV gi fault this in us. Yani plug top tipa and in a sudula. So on be. And the fault in. So once the wrong key on a lay. Save. So the fault in. So ki thokangagi bido nabusulu bido chunko chizo zodomela. So ani super LED tester gibe analo agi light this again check nila backlight this. So analo positive negative. So black prop the bewajin positive negative, red prop the bewajin positive la. This to wala. Ani okay do. Ani okay do. Ani okay do. Okay do. No fault. It doesn't get home. So the channel is just set to channel at the junior. Okay do. Okay do. Hi doctor, recording. Okay do. Okay do. Okay do.
कोई YouTube channel सुनिनु छ
okay do. Okay do la. So last nalo last nalo fault to la fault pe gatina. So re. So the chiha be check ba. Re be. Check nila. Yani re check yapnila. Yani connection dite जिश आणि बाव में आणि या बाव में आणि दी में बाबेला जी ध्यान में सानिया बाव में आनिया बाव में आनिया बाव में तब पोल ध्यान आता जिंकिला आणि ध्यान दिसे सुलो आणि तिंगा गी रिपेयर चपनीला रिपेयर देगा तो चपनी मोता मंगा गया नहीं गैर बेसा बे तब तक के लिए बिरो so again help of soldering iron gibe anal join be shaila so bolt thing same number gear same word can in ba can in the ge agi to anal join jap tama ge anal rotation nila once tachidi anal kyo dalu me ba ni tama ge anal positive gi positive negative gi negative lo ana this result so guys ngagana lo kera once kera fitting chap be ani teni la lo bi okay so guys ngagani kera fitting chap seba chap ka tongkha kera screen de fit chap sabe ha trace chap nila
Lai kata.
So TVD gera fit chap sabe this bene bedola yani this bene ki dene agani socket ti chudola na lakti so we so standby light ti hoy so ani the result in the sishla no signal sitheme mo to no signal sitheme di to kana lo signal ko input majinga and with the result sish
Ugyen has. Nasta.
So ni video lo gawin like pena subscribe pena bell icon na lo et na tizumbe kali he machi ge